hello.
Those have done such an enjoyment performance with patience. And also thanks to our teachers, those have prepared them for their life, such a knowledgeable dance.
Kishore, can I ask you a question?
Why not, Suryakant?
Okay, sir. You said to everyone that our teachers have prepared them for their life. Such a knowledgeable dance. How? What is the need of our life?
According to me, in our life, in any situation, you should always be first patient and also have a role model in your life.
Really?
Why not?
Okay. According to Kishore, now I will call to my small brothers, Deepak Patra and Ujjal, to explain on this word, having a role model in our life with patience. So please, Deepak Patra and Ujjal, come to the stage and share of your thoughts to our audience.
Namaskar, my name is Deepak Patro and today I would like to profound significance of having a role model in our life. Now I like to ask you one question. Who is role model? Okay, no problem, I am telling. A role model is a person who serves as guiding light and blueprint for our personal and professional growth. Having a role model is not just about mirroring success, just about understand the journey and sacrifice the lesson learned. Role model instead the sense of purpose. In the time of adversity, the role model becomes the source of strength. Then it was proved that greatness is achievable through success. Now is the time to not celebrate those who have inspired us, but strive to be the role model for others. Thank you.
Namaskar, me Ujjal Chana from class 8. I hope you all are well. Have you ever got in a situation when you can't keep patience in your life? Okay, I am telling. Sometimes you may keep patience and sometimes you may not keep patience in your life. It has happened with every human being. So, respected elders, patience is a virtue, is a quality that we can all get benefit from cultivating it in our lives. In the world, the constant demands of results and immediate gratification, the art of patience seems to be fading away. However, it is crucial to recognize the immense power and wisdom embedded in the patience. Patience is not the ability to wait, it's the capacity to maintain the positive altitude while waiting. When we exercise patience, we demonstrate a profound trust in the processing of our life. As well as when we face challenges, it acts as a guiding life of our life. So, I hope you understand what is patience. For understanding you about patience, I would like to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who worked daily. He worked hard daily in his field. He went up early in the morning and went to field for doing hard work. He shows the sheet before coming monsoon, and when the monsoon comes, he shows the seeds before it. Once upon a time, what happened? The monsoon didn't come and raining also doesn't happen. Then all the farmer keep patience. They all keep patience. But after many times they give up. But only that particular farmer doesn't give up. He tried, he keep patience and does hard work. What he done? He had went to another village and taken water from bucket and watered the plants. After many weeks, a new crop is grown. And after seeing this crop, all the farmers were surprised. They thought that we have not kept patience, we have not done hard work. That is why we doesn't get a new crop. But see to this farmer, they get a new crop. So I hope you understand what is the moral story of this. So this is what is patience. Let us take a look on the greatest personalities. They keep patience, they does hard work, keep focus, a strong belief in their work. That is why they get a success. Such as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bose, etc. They are all great personalities. They keep patience in your life. Let us take a look on Bhagavad Gita. There is also written, Uddayamam sahasam dhaira buddhi shakti parakramam pandatang sasyam bhattante yatrang devang sahaskritam. It means that all these 6 qualities, what? In for being industrious, power, patience, profound, power, patience and perseverance. These all the six qualities. If we keep these 6 qualities, then all the God, our Lord Krishna, Lord Bhagwan, they will come and help us. They will come and help us. I hope you understand what's the value of patience in our life. Let us take promise that we will keep patience in our life and achieve a great success that everyone will understand. Thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful experience. Their speeches were not just a word, but reflection of our wisdom, courage and depth. I'd like to extend my heartfelt greetings for my brother for their speeches.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're incredibly honored and excited to have with us a dance team that has created the waves of melody and motion. The planes of vocals and tunes are getting me to feel more excited. So, with